So let's make hair cream. This hair cream is suitable for hair growth and it's very nice to the scalp. So the first thing we are going to need is our paraffin oil. So the quantity for each of the ingredients used in making this hair cream will be listed on the screen. Please make sure you copy it from there. So this is my paraffin oil, and after that, the next thing I am going to need is my petroleum jelly. I will measure the quantity I need. So if you don't have a scale that you can use to measure, you can just tell them the quantity you need right there at your chemical store and they will measure for you. So the third thing we are going to need is our wax. So I use e-wax, also known as emulsifying wax. So you can use any wax of your choice that is suitable for cosmetic grade wax. So after measuring those three, I will transfer them into any heat resistant container of your choice, because you are going to heat this up using the double boiling method. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are mostly welcome. Please do well to join this wonderful family by hitting the subscribe button and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you get notified. So this is me putting my petroleum jelly into my paraffin oil. So I'll still go ahead and add the paraffin wax. The e-wax, emulsifying wax. So can you see it? So you can use any wax that is of cosmetic grade, that is very fair to the skin. So I've added the three together. Then we'll go ahead and add lanolin. However, this is optional, but if you can add it, it is very, very good, and you see some of the benefits on the screen. To all my returning subscribers, I sincerely want to appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my video, for always liking and sharing my video. You guys mean so much to me. Please don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. So this is me trying to bring out my lalone from the leather. So this is my pot that I will use for boiling method, double boiling method. I will place my heat resistant container inside it and allow everything there to melt together. However, do not fill the pot with too much water so that when it starts, bubbling, the water doesn't get into your mixtures. So after that, I'll go ahead and prepare the oil face. So this is tea tree oil. So you can actually combine nice essential oils that you feel like you want to use. So this is my coconut oil and rosemary oil. I mix these two together. So tea tree oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil. This is also olive oil. So I'm using different type of oils combined together. Then this is my fragrance. So can you see it, guys? I'll be using fragrance. So this is the tea tree oil. I remove it from the leather, pour it there. Then this is the mixture of coconut and rosemary oil. I'm measuring it. All the measurements are right there on the screen. Then I will add it to that container also. Then I'll go ahead and measure my olive oil and any other oil you feel like you want to use. Just make sure you combine nice essential oil that are really good for hair growth. So it is not compulsory you use this exact oil you see me using in this video. Use any oil that you are not reacting to, is suitable for your scalp and promote hair growth and probably fight dandruff. So those are the kind of oils you can mix together, right? So these are all my oils inside my container, like I've added everything together. So let's go and check what we are melting. And when I got there, it has started melting, but it's not totally ready. So you just go ahead and stir, then you continue with what you are doing. So if you want to have your cream to have like that menthol feeling, like to be hot a little bit, then we need menthol crystal. So that's what I have here. I'll go ahead and crush it to make it easy to dissolve, because menthol crystals will not dissolve in water. It dissolves easily in alcohol and some strong fragrances. So right here I have my fragrance I'm showing you. Now I will go ahead and pour my menthol crystals into my fragrance. That's after crushing it to make it faster and easier. So I'll pour my fragrance into this container you are seeing. Then after which I will add my menthol crystals into it. You can use any suitable fragrance of your choice. You can use banana, you can use apple, you can use strawberry, depending on you. It is your cream. So right here, my mixture is ready, like everything has melted. So I'll go ahead and carry my oil mixtures, my essential oil mixtures, add it into it, then mix it together. Make sure everything combine well before you move to the next procedure. So this is me mixing everything together. Can you see it, guys? So just stir it gently before you move to the next step. So right here, I have my fragrance, and I've dissolved my menthol crystals in it. Can you see that you cannot even see any traces of the menthol crystals? But if you add it to water, it will never dissolve inside water. And this is not what we are using alcohol for. So I'll be using color. If you don't feel like using color, when it come out, it look like Vaseline. So that's what it's going to look like. So I decided to use color. Please, when you want to use color for your hair cream, make sure you use oil soluble color. When you get to your chemical store, tell them oil soluble color. However, some of these chemical seller people, some of them don't know the difference between water and oil soluble color. So if you get home and you know that the person is not sure, just add a tint of that color to water. If it doesn't dissolve in water, it doesn't mix with the water, please don't use it. It will spoil your cream. So this is me adding my preservative, and I want to use liquid Gemma Plus. It's one of the best skincare preservative. It's very good for anything cosmetic. You can use Geogard, you can use liquid Gemma Plus. So I'm using liquid Gemma Plus, and after adding it, I'll go ahead and give it a very good mix, just like you see me do in this video. So when you are doing all these things, make sure your empty container that you pour your cream is available, so that it doesn't start getting solidified before the container is ready. So this is me transferring my cream into the container. Can you see how pure and how clean it is? Please, if you have not given this video a like, kindly do so. And if you have not subscribed, join this wonderful family. Hit the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new video, you get notified. So after transferring it into your container, you keep it in a cool, dry environment and allow it to solidify before you start to use it. So this is our hair cream after it has solidified, guys. Can you see it? There is no crack. So clean, so perfect. Can you see it, guys? So our hair cream is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video to the end. Bye.